Dati ang measure ko ng success yung amount of money that I'm earning. Para bang I'm always dissatisfied and I keep on comparing myself with others. Pero na-realize ko after many years na ang dapat kong tignan during those times na maliit pa ang kita ko, ano ba yung natututunan ko? Meron ba akong mga nade-develop na bagong habits na makakatulong sa aking future? May mga mali ba akong nagagawa na kinakailangan kong talikuran na? May mga character building ba ako na nagagawa during the times of shortage? Kasi yung mga things na yun na kinakailangan ma-develop, it is during those times na hirap tayo na ni-develop yon. Times of plenty does not develop your character. During those times na parang ang feeling mo mahirap na ni-develop yung iyong character and skill. Huwag kang mag-focus doon sa amount of money that you earn now. What you should focus on is yung experience mo na may natututunan ka, yung character building mo, and your faith in God. Those are the things that you have to develop during those times of lack. Kasi makikita mo later, parang puno, you are bearing fruit and continuous yung fruit mo kasi ready ka na for those things.